Boo. Boo. I see you. Now, what we gonna do now? Huh? You gonna crawl over to Aunt Gammy? You gonna do your scooting? Come here. He's moving like a little inchworm. Look at the little inchworm. Boy, look at you, Braden. Goodness.
I saw Diane home first, and she grabbed my stomach, and she goes, he hasn't dropped it, he's not going anywhere. So I'm trusting that this child is not. He's not ready to.
Come this way. Come over here to Gammy. Come here. Come on.
It's almost like I put this picture on my face. Like I wanted a baby, and I wanted to be a wife my whole life. Like that's all I ever wanted.
Oh my goodness.
A mom and a wife and a family.
Come on. Come on, Dan Gammy.
You're going to get married.
Look at you. Wow, Braden.
Engagement, white dress, honeymoon, baby shower. Like it's just it's all that's so southern. That is so Texan.
Now where you going? That's going to be a boo-boo. You're going to get hurt over there.
Be with Brandon.